Hello YouTube. It is dusk in South Central Texas and I'm going to do this video on some Harbor Freight lights going from the old style to the new and improved hopefully. So I got three lights here. Let me show you. The old one is the rechargeable LED light with the magnetic base. This cordless spotlight, which you charge with a AC adapter. And last but not least, this is a tactical flashlight. This actually has the brand name Quantum on it. Now with the new. Let's see, what order did I go into? All right. This is a magnetic chargeable folding light. And the difference between the old and the new is this has like 110 more lumens. And it also folds 360 degrees where this one folded only 180. Now this rechargeable spotlight is made by Braun. This one was made by Luminar Work. And this is 400 lumens. I don't know what that was, but I'm sure it wasn't 400 lumens. And this one also charges with a USB cord. Last but not least, the tactical flashlight. Like I said before, the old one was, brand name was Quantum, and now the new one has Braun. And this is also rated at 590 lumens, and I believe this one is rated the same. They're practically the same light, they're the same size. They look exactly the same except for the branding. So we're going to open up the packages that I haven't opened up yet. Well, let's start with something I already opened up. This is the Braun spotlight. This one has a nice cord attached to it. A nice little stand. And should work. I did charge this. Here we go. You know, I will be testing these out when it becomes light. Excuse me, when it becomes dark. Alright, I'm just playing around with the trigger, I'm sorry. Okay, one trigger squeeze, light. Second trigger squeeze, flash. There you go. Let's check out the old one. I don't believe the old one did that. Okay, so this is more of a switch. And this is a squeeze to turn on, and all you can do is turn it on. It does have a locking mechanism on the side where you can lock the light on. And this one does as well. Right there. Lock it. There we go. Alright. So we're going to open up the foldable magnetic, they call it slim bar work light. I might be editing this out. There we go. Alright. I think, oh, the light just came on. Okay. So you get the USB cord and you get the instructions, and I didn't tear up the box where I can't show you the specs, but here's the light. Let's do the 360 fold. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so basically the controls are the same. I imagine you press it, get brighter light, press it again, you get the tip light acting more like a flashlight. And then, so there's two different brightnesses. That's one. Hold on, that's one. Two, it's dimmer. And then the headlight off. Last but not least, like I said, this is the tactical flashlight, and I expect the specs to be exactly the same as the old one, since it looks like it's exactly the same model, but just rebranding. You know what? Before I tear open this, I'm going to take pictures of the specs so I can post them on the video. Stand by. Okay, we're back. I finally opened the package of the tactical light. I'm looking at the words on the light, and they're exactly the same except for the brand name. See, I'll hold it up for you. They're exactly the same size, so I'm going to say the specs are exactly the same. Better grab the new one. So the high beam is actually 590, low beam is 665 lumens. So there is two light settings. All right, and they claim that this little edge can be used as a weapon. It's not that sharp, but hey, who am I to argue? So when we come back, I'm going to do some tests against the fence. And like I said, I'll put new batteries in the tactical light so it can match the new one. And see if we can tell a difference when it's black, when it's night. And we'll come back for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is dark now. And let me see if I can swing this camera around and show you. There we go. How about that? This is our garden with the solar light display. Just to prove that it is dark. Look at that. There's some blue ones right here. All right, we're going to swing back around and we're going to point it toward the fence. All right, so here's the old spotlight. And here is the new. All right, here's the old again, and here's the new. Of course, the new one has different levels now. That's a little bit dimmer. And then here's the flashing feature. The old one, just on and off. We expect these tactical lights to be basically the same. Just they're the same size, and the only thing that's changed is the brand name on the flashlight. So let's see. This is the old. And yes, I did put new batteries on. And as you can see, you can adjust the spot on this light. All right. That's the old one again. This is the new. Again, you can adjust the spot. Since I can narrow the spot, let's now put both of them on the same. Oh yeah. I cannot tell the difference. Can you? I'm going to cross the beam. I hope I live. There we go. Yeah, you can't get any more closer. Again, the old with brand new batteries is on the right. The new is on the left. And it doesn't have new batteries, but this is a new flashlight. Please note the new spotlight also is waterproof and charges with a USB cord instead of a AC adapter. The USB cord is tucked up on the end of the cap. As you see, the cap is removed in that picture. The red light signifies that this light is charging, and then when it's done charging, the light turns green. The foldable slim bar also charges with a USB cable. The light is red when it's charging and turns green once the charging is completed. The tactical flashlight is powered by 4 AAA batteries. The batteries are also included with the flashlight. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Until the next one, so long.